Welcome children in the science class. Today we will learn chapter 4, that is plants around us. In this chapter we will know about the various types of plants that grow on hills, plains, desert and water. Let's see one by one. Number 1 is plants of hills. Pine, deodar, cedar, spruce and fir are some of the plants that grow on the hills. So these are the examples of some plants that grow on the hills. You will find only these types of plants in hills. These plants are tall and straight. So these plants are tall and straight and generally have a conical shape. These tall, straight and green conical trees makes hills appear green and beautiful. Their leaves are narrow and needle shapes. So the plants that grow on hills, their leaves are narrow and needle shaped. The conical shape of these trees does not allow snow to get deposited on them. Yes, number 2 is plants of plains. Peepal, banyan, mango, sal, shisham are some of the plants found in plants. So, the plants that grow in plains are peepal, banyan, mango, sal and shisham. They grow into trees having many branches. So, these trees spread their branches. You can see in the pictures also. Now, number 3 is plants of hot and wet regions. There are some of the plants that are found in hot and wet region. Let's see. Trees like teak, rubber and coconut are found in hot and wet regions. So, the plants that are found in hot and wet regions are teak, rubber and coconut. These generally have a large number of leaves. So, these trees have very large number of trees. They shed their leaves gradually. Okay, they shed their leaves gradually. That means the leaves fall gradually. Hence, they are called evergreen trees. So, these trees are called evergreen trees. Plants like pepper, cotton, rice and banana also grow in hot and wet regions. So, you have to learn the examples of the plants that grow on hot and wet regions. Number 4 is plants of marshy areas. Mangroves grow in marshy areas. These plants develop special roots for breathing as their main underground roots do not get sufficient oxygen from the soil. Portion of these roots come out of the soil above the water level and take oxygen from air. These roots are called breathing roots and they are also known as aerial roots. Examples are mangroves, okay, mangrove plants. It is given in do you know? A marsh is a very wet muddy area on land. Number 5. Plants of desert areas. Cactus grow in a desert, we all know. It can survive in soil that has very little water. It has a green stem and well developed roots. So, cactus grow in desert where very little water is available and their stems are green and roots are well developed. The stem stores water. That's why their stems are soft and fleshy. Cactus plants have spines instead of leaves. The cactus plants you can't find any leaves as leaves are modified into spines. So, children, now there is an assignment for you. You have to do it. There is a help box and from the help box you have to choose the correct answer. And second question is draw and color of the following. First one is one desert plant. That means the plants that grow on desert you have to draw. Second is one plant growing on hills. third is one plant growing in water, and fourth is one plant growing on plants. Okay, you will draw it neatly and color it. That's all for today. Thank you.